In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the mode in Microsoft Excel. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a set of numbers. This is especially useful when analyzing survey results, exam scores, sales quantities, or any data set where you want to identify the most common value. To demonstrate this, let's start by creating a simple data set in Excel. Make sure that the first row of your table contains the header because Excel tables always treat the first row as the column label. Type the following data into your worksheet. Score: 85, 90, 78, 90, 88, 92, 85, 90, 87, 85. In this example, the column header is score and the numbers below represent the values we want to analyze. Notice that some numbers appear more than once. The mode will be the number that appears most frequently in this list. To calculate the mode, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Then type the following formula: equals mode.sngll open parentheses A2 colon A11 close parentheses. Press Enter after typing the formula. Excel will automatically calculate the most frequent value from the selected range. In this example, the result will show the number that appears the most times in the dataset. The mode.sngll function is the most commonly used mode function in modern versions of Excel, including Excel 365. It returns the single most frequent value in a range of numbers. If there are multiple modes in the dataset, Excel will only return the first one it finds. If you want Excel to return multiple modes, you can instead use the mode.mult function. This function can return several values if multiple numbers share the same highest frequency. However, in most basic situations, mode.sngll is usually enough. Another helpful tip is always double-check that your selected range does not include the header row. Since the first row is the header, your formula should start from the second row where the actual numbers begin. Including the header in the formula can sometimes cause errors or incorrect results. Calculating the mode in Excel is quick and very helpful when analyzing repeated values in a dataset. Whether you are working with grades, survey responses, or business data, the mode function allows you to quickly identify the most common number in your data.